My brutally honest review of this Chanel bag. Spoiler alert, I don't like it. I hate it. All the cons, okay? All right, let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick review of this Chanel classic flap fashion bag. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? I'm gonna try to keep this short and sweet. It's mostly cons. I have a few pros, but really I don't like this bag. I've had it for a few years. I've barely used it, maybe like 6 times. I did send it away to storage for a while, then I got it back and tried to use it again, but I just don't feel like it's for me. And I feel like I'm gonna probably just downsize and, you know, either give it to my mom or my sister, who both really, really like it, but would never actually take it from me unless I gave it to them. They both really like it, but would never actually get it. So I thought that I would just, you know, or consign it. I don't know, give it to the real world. It's still pretty, I mean, it barely looks used. I barely use it, so it's like really good condition. Anyway, cons. Uno, a strap. Too thick, too heavy. At first I thought it was cool, and I thought the Funky Town, it's called the Funky Town, it's called the Chanel Funky Town. I thought it was cool, and I thought it was a little like edgy, trendy cool, but it's actually, I don't know, it's just so heavy and so big and so loud. And also, two, I don't like that it's only shoulder. You can literally only wear it as a shoulder bag, which I thought was fine at the time, but I've realized I'm not a shoulder bag person. I am a crossbody or top down person. So I have been holding it like this sometimes, which is, I guess, a pro. It looks like a little piece of jewelry, kind of like that, which I thought was cool. I guess I could also wear it like this. Maybe, yeah. But other than that, I don't think I would wear a shoulder. Also, these chains, like, you know how Chanel bags kind of get like that with the chain and it can go the wrong way. It's fine on like a smaller one, but on like a classic, like on a thin strap or a wall-on chain or anything like that. But when it's on this one, it's like very big and noticeable and clunky, and it can poke into you. 3, 4, 5, it's really thin. Like the thickness is not, there's not a lot of depth and there's not a lot of give, right? You can't get too much in. And you can't push it out like that because it won't close. So it's just not as wide, I think, as a regular classic small flap. And even though it's got the classic small flap shape, I feel like it doesn't feel as much like it. It does have 2 pockets inside, a slit and a zip, and then a back one, but that slit and zip is going to take up real estate. The zip's going to take up real estate. In the back pocket, you can't get your phone in, it's not big enough. What else? Oh, it's got this like aged hardware. It's like supposed to be used and worn, but it looks really used and worn. It's got like gray spots on it and scratches everywhere, which is, I guess, part of the vibe and look, and I thought was fine when I got it, but I actually really don't like it. Really, it's like all scratch. It looks very, very just scratched up and used. And it doesn't go with the bag, because the bag looks pretty new and soft. And it's a lambskin. I guess pros is the lambskin is really nice and soft, and it hasn't gotten scratched. Oh, another con is that it's newer Chanel, so I'm a little worried about the quality. Haven't had any issues, but so far. But, you know, it's not as good. Cons, pros, I guess, is the price. It was much more affordable than Chanel's now. Like 2 years ago, so many prices increases ago, 3 years ago. 2, the lambskin, the black, it's got the classic black Chanel bag, hardware and shape. But other than that, I guess a pro would be wearing it like this, and a pro would be wearing it like this for V. But other than that, I don't really like it. So, and if I want to start downsizing, I want to start downsizing anyway. I feel like Chanel is a great place to start downsizing, because I have a lot that I don't use, a lot that I got impulsively, a lot that, yeah, I don't pull for, and like I've become a much more, obviously, skewed away from Chanel, almost away from Goyard too, and away from Louis Vuitton, and almost exclusively Hermes, which maybe that's a phase, and maybe I'll come back to these down the line, and I'm not gonna like get rid of all of them. But I feel like a few bags that I could get rid of are these, because I don't really like them, and I have so many of the same freaking black classic one, right? So getting rid of a few wouldn't be the end of the world, and if I come back to them, I come back to them down the line. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I not? Should I keep it? Should I not? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies, because I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.